Okay, so now let's talk about naming conventions. When you are naming your variables in Python, there are few rules and guidelines you should keep in mind. Variables can contain letters, numbers, and underscores. Variable names can start with a letter or underscore, but not with a number. Okay, in our examples, my var is correct variable declaration. var1 is also correct, but when you try to type something like this, and try to execute the program, you see that in this line you have a syntax error, invalid syntax. So, as I said before, variable names can start with a letter or underscore, but not with a number. Variables are case sensitive. So it means that, for example, variable age, and age are three different variables. Okay, let's see an example. And try to print these variables. Let's try to run the variable program. And yes, we can see that in age and age we have different values. In Python, we should also avoid using keywords and function name as variables. Let's see this example. Class is a keyword in Python, and when I try to assign to the class variable, and try to run this, I will see also syntax error. Okay, we should also keep in mind that variable names should be short but also descriptive. For example, name is better than an, and also student name is better than sn. In Python, it's common to use a snag case for variable names. For example, a snake case naming convention is my variable. That's it. You have now good understanding of what variables are, the type of variables in Python, and convention used to name them. In next video, I will discuss basic operations that can be performed on variables. Thanks for watching.